Hello, I'm Nadia. It's time for a test.
A vocabulary test on medicines. A thermometer. A plaster. A band-aid. A bandage. Brilliant green. A blood pressure monitor. Ointment. A nasal spray. An antiseptic spray. A cough syrup. A fever reducer. Effervescent tablets. Tissues. Pills. A sample container. A syringe. Tablets. Lozenges. Vitamins.
Well done!